Naghahanap ka ba ng no spot down payment, single attached modern minimalist house na malapit sa Metro Manila at airport? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Meron itong minimum lot size na 80 square meters. Kaya naman may provision tayo for 2 carport. Dahil single attached house ito, meron tayong extra lot sa back, front, and sa side na pwede natin gamitin for future home expansion. Complete finish turnover na nga rin po ito, and upon turnover, included na ang ating granite kitchen countertop, primary paint, tiles, at meron itong 2 toilet and bath with complete fixtures. Going up, andito ang ating 3 bedrooms, and lahat po ng ating rooms ay may malawak na windows for proper ventilation and para makapasok ang ating natural light. Exclusive community with resort style amenities at accessible ito sa lahat. Located ito sa West Homes Residences, Anyana, Tansa, Cavite. Alam mo ba na nasa introductory price pa lang tayo for as low as 5.4 billion? Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!